Welcome to the Elantrip balance bike installation video. First off, we will show you all the accessories required for the installation. In the first step, we need to pre-assemble the bearings onto the wheels. Please follow the instructions shown in the video. Begin by disassembling the 6 parts from the bearing. Then insert the bearing into the wheel and proceed to install the 2 remaining parts on the other side. Next, let's move on to installing the fork and handlebar. Please refer to the video for guidance on how to install them correctly. Then we can proceed to install the front and rear wheels. Please follow the instructions in the video, attaching the accessories to the frame one by one and then tightening the screws with a wrench. The method of installing the rear wheel is the same as that of the front wheel. Please operate according to the video guide. Finally, we will install the seat. Begin by tightening the screw on one side and then snap the switch into place. Now your child can enjoy the fun of the balance bike. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on Amazon.